Okay, hi everybody. We will now have a look at the air module of the VALESOR digital tool, and we will take a look at the 4 steps of doing calculations with the VALESOR tool. You see the 4 steps here on page 11 of the guidebook. That looks as what you see on the screen here. But for now, let's move to the online tool and we click on the air module button. This will open up something that usually looks like this, which might make you confused, but scroll up and you will see the 4 steps at the top here. This video will focus on the scenario set. So we will have to select scenario target years and assign scenario names. We will then press Add to save scenario definition in the list of scenarios included in the analysis. And important reminder, the first added scenario is considered as baseline. Please, when you use the VALESOR tool, always remember to look at the instructions you get in the blue boxes. So let's go. Let's start a first baseline scenario. And now I want to add, but I cannot because the add box is gray. I then have a look and I will go for certain years. Let's go for 2015 and 2020, a historical analysis. And then the box will turn to green and we click add. And here we have a baseline for 2015 and 2020. Thinking about it, you realize later on that, wait a minute, the baseline is usually for scenarios for the future, not historic years. Well, let's have a look then. Can we change this? Yes. You click on the edit scenario set and the scenario opens for edit. So now you can rename it and you can change the years considered. So let's add also the year 2030 to the analysis. Remember to click save, and as a confirmation you will have a changed definition of the scenarios to your right. We might want to have a look at a scenario comparison. For that we create the scenario test, and for future years we might want to have a look at a compared emission scenario. So then we need to choose the year 2030. The gray box turns into green and you click add. Again, also for the test scenario or for your alternative scenario, you can have an edit scenario test. So let's say now that I thought it was a bad idea to call it test. I change to alternative and I click save and it has been saved. With that, that's the quickest video and the easiest to explain. So click save project. You don't have to, but why not? Click save project, and as a confirmation you will see a green box to the right that confirms that it has been saved. In the next video we will look at the spatial level and how to define that. Thank you.